They adjusting the dyno. I got the hood popped to let her cool down some, you know, so we can get a... And I know y'all remember this animal. This baby here, a straight animal, and it's...
Perfect.
What's swinging, gang? What's swinging, auto lux gang? Have you ever asked yourself, can you gain horsepower without tuning? I mean, really gain any significant horsepower without tuning the car from just bolt-ons? If you already been watching the channel, you guys know I have a 1200 horsepower capable engine sitting right here in my X6M, as well as upgraded M6 intercoolers, F90 M5 fuel pumps, stage 3 low pressure fuel pumps from Precision Raceworks. I mean, everything on this car has been touched, included the transmission. You know, so what we finna do right now is head over to the dyno at Monster Performance. Before we do the stage 3 tune, I want to see if we picked up any horsepower just by adding the bolt-ons, to see if the computer can compensate for what we have done already without any tuning. And then we're going to take it over to the drag script and see if we can run a better time than the last time I ran just by putting the bolt-ons on without any tuning. Let's ride.
A few moments later.
And with movie magic, we here that quick. Yeah, that's pretty much it here, gang. He got a brand new all-wheel drive dyno. This one of the owner's cars here, and that's his other car here. You know, everything with Monster Performance on it, you know where it come from. You know where it come from. So yeah, gang, we finna come in here. I'ma holla at Lee, see what projects he got going on, and then we finna get on this dyno and see if just regular bolt-ons and some custom bolt-ons can make some power, make more power without doing the tuning. You know, for you guys that already did your bolt-ons and haven't done any tuning yet, I'm finna let you find out if the computer can compensate for those bolt-ons. So let's get in here. They're adjusting the dyno. I got the hood popped to let her cool down some, you know, so we can get a cool first pass. I'm gonna have the fan on it anyways with the hood pop, but you know, I don't want to go in there right after I just got off the highway. You know, I ain't got no meth, so I know the engine a little, I don't have any meth, so I know the engine a little heat soaked. So they adjusting the dyno. It's right around the corner there, so they're adjusting the dyno to get it lined up with my wheelbase, because they just took a I think it was a GTR too. Just took a GTR off, and the wheelbase is a little bit different for the all-wheel drive on the GTR. So we're finna let it cool down a little bit and put on that all-wheel drive dyno and see if she can beat the last horsepower figure I made. Was, I think, 603 all-wheel horsepower. And
flashback.
What happens when you cool it down?
ooh, we got 603 horsepower, gang. Yeah, how much torque? Ooh, and 614 torque. Anybody want smoke? Y'all know where to find me. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Hey, that's the man right there with what Lee Bird, man.
End of flashback.
See if she make any horsepower with just the bow tones. Let's see what she did. We made 570. So we're a little bit lower than last time, so we're gonna do another run.
Why is it feels like it's lazy? Maybe it's in some kind of safety mode? Check it and see it.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it's them turbos. The turbo's way bigger.
The computer's stopping it from doing something.
Alright, gang. So we close to where we was at last time. But, hey, it's not pulling like he was, because he did the pulls last time. And I guess the turbos being a lot bigger, you know, the computer can't compensate for them. And I have a lot more fuel going there with the F90 fuel pumps, so she definitely needs to be tuned. How you gonna do it?
Well, yeah, you can see that the computer is definitely fighting it, because before, as you see, it constantly pulls to the peak horsepower, and now, like, once it comes up, like, the computer's trying to correct it the whole time.
It's making too much boost?
Yeah, it's probably making too much boost, so it's probably pulling timing.
All right.
Yeah.
And y'all heard it from the master himself, so yeah, we gotta go ahead and get it tuned, man, because she definitely ain't gonna make no more horsepower with these oversized turbos and the upgraded fuel system. The computer just can't compensate for so much stuff. So, and I know y'all remember this animal. This baby here is straight animal, and it's a hell of a lot faster than it was last time y'all saw it. And when I say a hell of a lot faster, I mean a hell of a lot faster. Fully built, in a chiller. I mean, this thing is a animal. We still gonna race game, but this joker right here is a animal. And y'all know I wouldn't even be saying that if it wasn't. This joker here is a cold-blooded animal. He said it's stock. Ain't no way in hell. Yeah, so he getting it right. Got a new tune coming. Fully forged. Both of the SUVs have fully forged engines now, and both of them going with custom tunes, dyno tunes. So once we both get the dyno tunes on, we gonna take her to the track, and we gonna see what we gonna do. You know. Yeah, I mean, I ain't no hater. You know, these my boys. So y'all can either bet with Sasha, or y'all can bet with the Track Hawk. Yeah, but gang, you know, I mean, it ain't too bad. I mean, but you see, that's what she made last time versus this time. And like he say, you can see the computer trying to correct the boost, but I mean, it has way more fuel and way more air flowing through the turbos, so the computer just can't compensate for that. So there's really no reason for me to take it to the track, because it's making less horsepower. Not a lot less, but definitely less horsepower. You know, the blue is my old run, and the red was Sasha's run today. So this joker right here finna be way up there. Yeah, so I mean, that's all we can do right now, gang, is, you know, just do what we gotta do, you know. Auto Lust gang, I know y'all with me. We finna get this baby tuned. We finna get as much power out of it as she can. I'm just waiting on the Turbo Smart wastegate actuators. Once those Turbo Smart wastegate actuators come, we can go ahead and get her tuned and get everything set. Get her back on the dyno because she's getting a full dyno tune. And you know, I'm about tired of Sasha. She getting on my nerves, so let's hurry up and get her tuned so we can get on out the door, so we can start racing. But yeah, like, share, and subscribe, and Auto Lust out.